Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Mazda CX-5. Stock number is A7114. Starting right away up front, you have nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Pirelli Scorpion tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust. The CX-5 is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more space. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, including a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the CX-5 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.